This new year, I pray to God, Corona, go away, never come back on my way.
I would love to go to school this year and enjoy playing with my friends in the lovely play area.
I would love playing with my friends when my school gets over. I want gifts and new books to read.
I want to study in my classroom instead of my bedroom.
The real fun of studying is in classroom with my classmates. I miss my school a lot.
I want to go on weekends with my teachers and friends.
This new year, I wish that things will get back to normal.
I would love to celebrate my birthday with my teacher and friends in my school.
I want to hug my teacher.
I want to dance with my friends on stage.
I miss my sports day games.
I want to eat my lunch with my friends. I wish that my mom would allow me to eat ice cream in winter.
I want to play ringa roses with my friends and cousins.